Everyone thinks AI is about to take over and replace music producers and vocalists. And I kind of get why. AI can literally make a song in seconds. Seconds. But the thing about music, it's not about the sounds and just coming up with a concept in seconds. It's about feeling. It's about timing. It's about culture. It's about knowing what's right versus what feels correct. It's about knowing what to add, what to take away. And AI, unfortunately, cannot replicate that because it's a tool. I saw a brother of mine, Musical Shepherd, do a video on this topic, and it got me thinking, why don't I try something with my own spin and have my own thesis and come up with my own conclusion when it comes to this AI music, So what I did in this video was I let AI generate an Amapiano song and then stripped it down and took only the elements that made sense. And the whole point of this is to show you that AI is a tool in which can help you with your creativity, but it will never replace us humans, and it will never replicate the culture and the feeling that we have. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive into this video. Crazy how realistic that song sounds. I mean, even though as a music producer you can hear, okay, this is, it's not really human, but the quality of AI, guys, it's mind-blowing. So let's dive into the creative process. But before we look at how I made that version, I want to kind of make a distinction, right? So we have this AI song, and you can clearly hear that the vocalist is pretty much AI. The pronunciation of some words is not quite spot on, but the way the vocal harmonizes and the way in which the AI sings is quite good. But let's actually compare it with a real vocalist with real human on production and a real Amapiano song, so that you can hear the difference between an AI generated song and a real life human song. So as you can hear, and then as much as the AI vocal did a pretty good job, it's no match to the human voice. I mean, AI can't replicate things such as breath control and the emotion that comes out, you know, when you sing a song and you sing the lyrics and you have the meaning behind everything that you say. Like, and as much as AI is vocalizing very beautifully, it's nothing compared to what Smiley is doing in this case. So yeah, man, vocalists, if you're authentic and that you're good at what you do, there's no need to be worried. And now, producers, I'm about to show you why AI, in as much as it's a good tool, can never beat the real thing. Okay, so yesterday I started with already making the rebuild, and I was exploring a couple of ideas, but I wasn't liking them. So today is messing around and I found this chord progression. I think it sounds nice, so let's build on it.
Sihamba no moya, asisodwa. asisodwa ukhanya endleleni uyangihola sihamba nomoya asisodwa ukhanya endleleni uyangihola sihamba nomoya asisodwa zihumile bungameni zalava kuvonakala mani na mani wahubanyeka kambe moya uzitlakusa ikhumbula izinsuku zabuhlungu kodwa namhlanje ngimi ngizilile ungiphe amandla okuphila akhe sajaba moya unalena siyafila sihamba moya wabuthongi moya unzitshayisa noma izitha zingangibuka angisabi kimi nomdali amakhama othaka yeleboha mafelo zahensa ikubanzaya Matumza ya mina sitwanwina balala bamiba yangihola sihamba nomoya asisodwa sifila ngihoso sifila mathando sihamba nomoya moya wabuthongi ufamba naina sihamba nomoya asisodwa ukhanya endleleni uyangihola sihamba nomoya asisodwa ukhanya endleleni uyangihola sihamba nomoya asisodwa zihumile bungameni zalava kuvonakala mani na mani wahubanyeka kambe moya uzitlakusa ikhumbula izinsuku zabuhlungu kodwa namhlanje
So to conclude this video, is AI gonna take over? I don't think so. I think AI will definitely be used a lot more in production and as a way to enhance creativity and shorten the work span. Certainly good for referencing and trying to come up with an idea, but I don't ever think that AI can replicate what we do. It's very special. The thing that AI doesn't have that a human has is soul, and soul is what speaks to you when you're listening to a song and you're hearing that lyric, it's speaking to you, and you hear that chord progression just playing. It's more than just sound, it's a feeling behind it, it's emotion, it's so much experience and weight and depth that artificial intelligence just cannot replicate because they don't live on a day-to-day basis. So to conclude this video, AI is definitely a powerful tool in which will be around for the rest of time, but it will never ever take the place of what we do, and I can be certain about that, and you should be too. So if you take anything away from this video, is that don't be threatened by it. Use it to empower yourself and use it as a tool to make your workflow easier. I've been Matumza Productions today, signing out.